In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a contact in ManyChat. Whether you're streamlining your contact list or need to remove outdated information, the process of deleting a contact in ManyChat is straightforward. Let me walk you through the steps, ensuring you have a smooth experience while managing your contact list. First, you'll want to open your ManyChat account. Make sure you are logged in with the correct credentials and have the required permissions to make changes to your contacts. Once you're logged in, take a look at the interface. If you're new to ManyChat, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, it's all pretty intuitive once you're familiar with it. Next, navigate over to the Home tab. The Home tab is essentially your command center within ManyChat. From here, you can access various aspects of the platform, including your contact list. Click on the Home tab, and from the drop-down options, you should see a section labeled Contacts. Now click on the Contacts section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the contacts currently saved in your ManyChat account. You can use this list to search for and locate the specific contact you wish to delete. Remember, the search feature can be very handy if you have a large list of contacts. Once you've located the contact you're ready to remove, click to select it. The detail page for this contact will appear. It's important to double check that this is indeed the contact you want to delete to avoid any accidental removals. When you're sure you've got the right contact, look for the 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the Options or More button. These 3 dots are located in the upper right corner of the Contacts Details panel. Clicking on these dots will reveal a small menu with more actions you can perform. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option labeled Delete Contact. Go ahead and click on that option. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the deletion. This is a protective measure to ensure contacts aren't removed by mistake. Review the contact's details one last time, and if everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. And there you have it. A contact has been successfully removed from your ManyChat account. This process ensures your contact list remains accurate and up to date, which is essential for maintaining effective communication with your audience. Regularly cleaning your contact list can help in optimizing your marketing strategy and improving engagement rates. Remember to address any doubts by consulting ManyChat's help resources or reaching out to their support team if you encounter any difficulties. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you better manage your ManyChat account efficiently.